Meet Send Web to Kindle. Your content stays private, processed entirely in your browser. Find an article, open the extension, simply extract the article. Automatically generate a fully navigable table of contents. Jump between sections instantly with just one click. Need to read more than one article? Open another article. Enable continuous extract, then extract it with a single click. Your new article is seamlessly merged into the same EPUB. And you have complete control over your content before sending it to your Kindle. Update text formatting, change paragraphs into headings, and organize your content for a better reading experience. You can also remove unwanted text or sections with just a click. And as you make changes, preview your updated content instantly before creating your final EPUB. Ready to send it to your Kindle? Customize your book title, then send it directly to Kindle. And that's it, your web content, beautifully organized and ready to read on your Kindle. And there it is, your web content, right on your Kindle. Clean, organized, and distraction-free. Send web to Kindle, from web to Kindle, seamlessly.